So to take the keys out of one of the MacBook Pro Butterfly keyboards, if it hasn't dropped out already, we need to do it with a little lever tool like this one. I've put a little mark around it because I've filed it down to make it a little bit thinner. And this is for the MacBook Pro 2016 onwards, the A1706, 1707, 1708, and the A181 and the A1989. So we pop in the spudger in the top corner, we lift, you hear it click, and we lift and you hear it click, and then we take the bottom and we move it forward slightly, and once you moved it forwards, it will then just pop straight out, easy as that. Putting it back in again is relatively simple. We put it the bottom piece first, slide it forwards, then with your finger you click in each side and it's back into place.